that's my ride.
Your ride? Hold up. I swole up.
Girl, no. All right.
Do it again.
I ain't gonna do it.
I ain't gonna do it no more.
I done stay with P, we high as shit, we might just fly away. Shawty wanna fuck, but away the line, cause I ain't got time today. I gotta get on my shit, stay on my grind, that's what my mama say. And you can get in your shit, that's with this chopper who gon' die today. I've been on some other shit, but I'm still coolin', riding with my two-leg.
What it? Why? T. You know it's double O. Little bitch, yeah. Alright, so bitch, this is what we doing. We finna be picking up my little ear. Feed me. Finna be picking up my little ear. And we finna be revving my shit outside of shit to let her know I'm in this bitch. What the fuck? Come scoop up in that bitch. What's down with it, man? Hey, look. Excuse my little late, you feel me? We got a little cold stuff. It wasn't that cold, I ain't gonna forget this stuff. Hey, but look though. Shit, today, y'all. Shit, I got a little video, you heard me? My old lady in on it. We finna prank her uncle. Our grandma. Looks like prank. Feel me? Ain't nothing too crazy. So I'm just trying to see. I'ma see how they react. Me going outside, they house just revving it. Acting like I'm finna pick up, just revving it for no reason, just going crazy. So I'm finna pull up to her house in a minute. My fault I haven't been consistent and stuff like that though, but shit, really bro, I'm trying though, bro, I ain't gonna lie. I'm trying, I'm just trying to balance shit, work in and shit, but I could really be going hard on some real shit though. I could be going way harder, and I am. I got y'all, man, I'ma tune in for y'all, cause y'all showing love, bro. I'm almost at 100 subscribers, man. I really appreciate the journey, man. The journey, shit. Hey, it's gonna be good, man. It's gonna be good. Good content on the way, for sure, y'all. Shit, I'm really just chilling. And shit. Chill. We finna pull up now. I'm finna call her and tell her I'm outside.
Hello?
Hey, I'm outside.
All right.
Alright. So basically, she already know what's going, so it's good. Now I'm start the real.
Who's making all that goddamn noise?
Wait, what? Y'all, I'm finna go.
Probably the neighbors. Who the fuck is? No,
I'm finna go.
Who's making all that goddamn noise out here?
I'm going. Y'all, that's my ride.
Your ride? Hold up. I swole up. Look. Hey, man. Check this out.
I'm sorry, Riz. I ain't gonna lie. going?
It's too many goddamn people out here, and the house is too goddamn close. You can't be doing this.
Hey, man.
It's too many goddamn people out here, and the house is too goddamn close.
I'm gonna take this motherfucker.
You can't be doing that goddamn.
You gonna make me take this motherfucker? We got knives around here. You got knife. I'm gonna take this motherfucker.
You can't be doing that goddamn shit.
You make me take this motherfucker.
Damn, I can't just chill.
Hell,
Girl, no. All right.
do it again. Do it again.
I ain't gonna do it.
one more
I ain't
time.
gonna do it no more. I ain't gonna do it no more. I ain't gonna do it no more.
This my ride, y'all.
Well, you need to tell your ride to quit doing that stupid shit.
I'm outside though. I ain't know.
This
Don't you got a goddamn horn?
Yeah.
No.
You better not blow the horn for it either. I wish you would blow the horn for it.
Just letting her know I'm outside though. I ain't know it was.
Don't you got a goddamn horn?
Yes, no.
You better not blow the horn for it.
It don't work. It don't
You
work.
ain't got to grab the horn. You can call. You got a phone, don't you?
I called her. I let her know I was outside. She ain't answer though.
Y'all be careful.
You all right? All right. All right. All right, good. All right.